I am Gautam Kadam, assistant teacher from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji High School, Sharda Nagar, Sagroli. Today we are going to discuss on topic classification of plants. Kingdom Plantae. Plantae means plants. Subkingdom Cryptogams. Crypto means hidden and gams means reproductive organs. Cryptogams means hidden reproductive organs. Subkingdom cryptogams can be classified into three divisions: division Thallophyta, division Bryophyta, division Pteridophyta. First division, Thallophyta. Characteristics of Thallophyta. The plants belongs to this group which do not have specific parts like root, stem, leaves and flowers. These plants grow mainly in water. These plants generally autotrophic in nature due to presence of chlorophyll and they are called as algae. Algae shows great diversity. Some algae are microscopic while some are larger in size. Some algae are multicellular while some are unicellular. These plants usually have a soft and fiber-like body. Various types of fungi are also involved in this group of Thallophyta, but they are heterotrophic in nature due to absence of chlorophyll. So these are the some characteristics of Thallophyta. Spirogyra, Alba, Kyra, these are the examples of algae, and algae belongs to division Thallophyta. The body of all these three, Spirogyra, Alba and Kyra, is soft and fiber-like. That's why they belongs to division Thallophyta. They don't have roots, stem, leaves and flowers. So they are included in first division Thallophyta. The second division Bryophyta. Characteristics of Bryophyta. This group of plants is called the amphibians of the plant kingdom because they grow in moist soil but they need water for reproduction. The plants belongs to this group are thalloid, multicellular and autotrophic. The structure of plant body of bryophytes is flat, ribbon-like long. These plants do not have true roots, stem and leaves. Instead, they have stem-like or leaf-like parts and root-like rhizoids. They don't have specific tissues for the conduction of food and water. Means phloem and xylem are the conducting tissues, and these conducting tissues which are absent in the group of Bryophyta. The plants belongs to division Bryophyta. Generally, they reproduce by spore formation. These are the characteristics of second division Bryophyta. Funaria, Mercensia and Anthoceros. These are the some examples of bryophytes. All these three bryophytes, that is Funaria, Mercensia and Anthoceros, have root-like parts and these root-like parts are called as rhizoids. All these three, Funaria, Mercensia and Anthoceras, have leaf-like parts. Actually, they don't have leaves, but they have leaf-like parts, root-like parts, and these root-like parts are called as rhizoids. So, Funaria, Mercensia and Anthoceras, they belongs to second division Bryophyta. Now we discuss about third division, that is Pteridophyta. The characteristics of Pteridophyta. This group of plants have well developed roots, stem and leaves. They have separate tissues for the conduction of food and water. Means xylem and phloem, which are present in the third division of Pteridophyta. You know that phloem conduct food while xylem conduct water. Even though this group of plants have well developed roots, stem and leaves, but they don't have flowers and fruits. These plants reproduce asexually by spore formation and sexually by zygote formation. They have a well developed conducting system. So these are the characteristics of third division Pteridophyta. Selaginella, Lycopodium, ferns, these are the examples of Pteridophyta. They have well developed roots, stem and leaves, but they don't have fruits and flowers, and that's why they are belongs to third division Pteridophyta. Thank you.